Hugo packs his gear and hits the road, camera in hand in traveler's mode, to Sand City where sculptures dwell. Each grain of sand tells tales to tell. Travel with Hugo, see the world unfold. Stories in sand from young and old. An artist's dream beneath the sky so wide. In Hurghada's heart, where the wonders hide. Pharaoh's gaze stands tall and grand, while gods and legends rise from sand. Golden hues beneath the blazing sun. Each piece a moment, their work's begun. Travel with Hugo, see the world unfold. Stories in sand from young and old. An artist's dream beneath the sky so wide. In Hurghada's heart where the wonders hide. Feet leaving prints where giants lay. Dream chasers carve the endless day. Through Hugo's lens the magic's clear. He takes us closer, brings us near. From desert dust to castle spires, sculpted dreams and fleeting desires. Hurghada whispers its sandy charms. Through Hugo's travel safe from harm. The desert dust to castle spires, sculpted dreams and fleeting desires. Hurghada whispers its sandy charms. Through Hugo's travel safe home. Desert dust to castle spires, sculpted dreams and fleeting desires. Hugo's lens, the magic's clear. He takes us closer, brings us near. From desert dust to castle spires, sculpted dreams and fleeting desires. Through Hugo's lens the magic's clear. He takes us closer, brings us near. From desert dust to castle spires, sculpted dreams and fleeting desires. Sculpted dreams and fleeting desires. في مدينة الرمال نلاقي الحكايات، تماثيل من الرمل تحكي الذكريات. بإيد البشر صنعوا فن وزمان، في الغروب بنعيش ألوان الأحلام. في هرغادة هناك بحر وأمان، لكن الرمال تكشف سر المكان. نحت القصص بصبر وحنان، وكل تمثال بيروي لنا إنسان. تعال نشوف السحر بنقوش الرمال، كل تفاصيله فيها قريبة الخيال. ندخل على المدينة نحلق بالأفكار، فن الرمل يروي عن تاريخ وأسرار. الشمس تنعكس فوقها السطوح، تلون الحجر وتزيد الجروح. لكن الرمال ما يزول جمالهم، بفنهم صاغوا قصص الأمل والحلم. امشي وسط الفن كما الحلم على الواقع، تحس بثقل العصر وبراءة المبتدع، كل نحت فيهم عالم ما بين ايدي، تعرف قيمة الناس في هالدنيا نعدي. تعال نشوف السحر بنقوش الرمال، كل تفاصيله فيها غريبة للخيال، ندخل عالمدينة نحلم بالأفكار، فن الرمي يروي عن تاريخ وأسرار. امشي وسط الفن كما الحلم على الواقع، تحس بثقل العصر وبراءة المبتدع، كل نحت فيهم عالم ما بين ايدي، تعرف قيمة الناس في هالدنيا نعدي. نشوف السحر بنعوش الرمال، كل تفصيلة فيها غريبة للخيال، ندخل عالمدينة نحلم بالأفكار، فن الرمي يروي عن تاريخ وأسرار. The sun is shining like it's alive, waves are gentle where dreams arrive, feet in the sand where the breeze plays, Hurghada whispers through golden rays. Sand City calls like a story untold, sculpted towers carved and bold, figures of legends born from hand, a city of magic built from sand. Come see the world in grains of art, every sculpture pulls at your heart. Sand beyond castles soaring wide, in Sand City dreams reside. Pirates frozen in greedy pose, fairies dance where fantasy grows, every fine grain like starlit night, bringing the world in a different light. Kings and queens from stories we knew, animals crafted so lifelike too, a place where skies meet deserts grin, and wonder forms beneath your skin. Come see the world in grains of art, every sculpture pulls at your heart. Sand beyond castles soaring wide, in Sand City dreams reside. Kings and queens from stories we knew, animals crafted so lifelike too, a place where skies meet deserts grin, and wonder forms beneath your skin. Come see the world in grains of art, every sculpture pulls at your heart. Sand beyond castles soaring wide, in Sand City dreams reside.
bright and bold, stories in the sand, ancient tales retold, Hugo F. The lens in hand so true, wanders through the sculptures, sharing a view. Travel with Hugo, let the stories unfold. In Sand City's arms, the desert's made of gold. Sculpted wonders rising, whispers in the air. Through your screen, feel the magic everywhere. A pharaoh carved strong, his gaze like fire. Tales of kings and queens built to admire. On history's pages, the sand takes a stand. Sculptures breathing life in this endless land. Travel with Hugo, let the stories unfold. In Sand City's arms, the desert's made of gold. Sculpted wonders rising, whispers in the air. Through your screen, feel the magic everywhere. Hugo steps in like a wanderer of dreams. Through pyramids of sand beneath soft sunbeams. Each grain tells a tale, each chisel shows might, bringing ancient spirits to modern light. Dragons and warriors, they're set in stone. Legends reborn, through the winds have blown. Every sculpture, a portal to a bygone age. As Hugo turns the world into a golden stage. Travel with Hugo, let the stories unfold. In Sand City's arms, the desert's made of gold. Sculpted wonders rising, whispers in the air. Through your screen, feel the magic everywhere. Hugo steps in like a wanderer of dreams. Through pyramids of sand beneath soft sunbeams. Each grain tells a tale, each chisel shows might, bringing ancient spirits to modern light.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching my channel, Traveling with Hugo F. We roam the roads and skies, chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button, please. Leave a comment down below, share the moments like a breeze. Thanks for watching, you're the best. Join the journey, never rest. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Travel with me by your side. New adventures every